You ready? Hold on.
Come on, make it to where I can see it.
No, look, don't you post it because it's dirty down there.
I'm not.
Make sure shut it off afterwards. Hold on.
I'm still recording.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Yeah.
Move your hands.
Alright, shut it off. You didn't do it right.
No,
you gotta turn both of them on.
Yeah.
Wait, no. You know how to do it.
Yeah, I can do it.
You do it. No.
I can do it.
You turn one on first, then you turn the other one on. Then, hold on. I want to blur it out like you did. Okay, go.
Uh-oh. What is that? Everybody's going crazy.
Okay. Ready? Do it again.
We're having fun.
Get me off of there. Right?
No, come on. I got to see your reaction.
Oh, do it.
I'm recording your reaction.
Remember, do one at a time. Ready? Everybody run. Yeah. Hands are really. Yeah, do it again. It's not shooting out like when I did it. Let Pumpkin try it. Alright, ready? Hold on, try it again.
Ready?
Ready?
I was sending both at the same time.
No, one at a time.
No, both at the same time. Do it.
Say, hey, hold on, talk. When you're doing it, talk. Say, okay, everybody, look, or something like that. Ready? Hold on.
Show your reaction. What face did you make?
His don't. It didn't shoot out like it did before.
What face did you
try
make?
it this time.
Okay. I'll take hold the camera. I'm probably gonna fly halfway across.
Alright, ready? Remember.